Good day, my name is Tan Poh Yu. My metric number is 302399. Today I will be presenting my case study analysis for case study 3, which focus on a fitness tracking app for elderly user. In this presentation, I will evaluate 3 UX techniques and discuss their suitability for the research and prototyping stages. This project aims to develop a fitness tracking application that helps elderly users monitor their physical activity and health information through mobile and wearable devices. The project has several constraints, including a budget of 150,000 ringgit Malaysia, a timeline of 8 weeks, a small UX team, and a maximum of 5 testing sections. The target user may face challenges such as low digital literacy, poor eyesight, navigation difficulties, and accessibility requirements. Therefore, the selected design stage are research and prototyping. The first UX technique is contextual inquiry. This technique is used during the research stage. Researchers observe elderly users in their natural environment while they use smartphones and wearable devices. This helps researchers understand user behavior and habits as well as identify hidden usability problems. The strength of contextual inquiry are it observes real behavior, provide rich qualitative insight, and improve understanding of elderly users. However, it requires more time and resources. Why contextual inquiry? Contextual inquiry has several advantages. It allows researchers to observe real behavior, identify hidden usability issues, and understand elderly user habits. Although it is time-consuming and requires more resources, it has more accurate than user interview because researchers can directly observe actual behavior instead of relying only on user explanation. Therefore, contextual inquiry is a suitable technique for understanding elderly users. The second UX technique is personas. During the research stage, personas are created based on research findings. For example, Mary is a 72 years old with limited technology experience, use a smartphone occasionally, require larger text, and prefer simple navigation. During the typing stage, persona help evaluate whether the stage meet user needs, check accessibility requirement, and guide design decision. These techniques support user-centered design, improve communication, and help the team make better decisions. Why personas? An alternative technique is user segmentation. However, persona focus on user goals, improve communication, and encourage empathy towards user. User segmentation mainly focus on demographic information and is less user-centered. Therefore, persona are better choice for supporting user-centered design. The third technique is heuristic evaluation. This technique is used during the prototyping stage. Its purpose is to evaluate interface to usability using established usability principle. The strength of heuristic evaluation include being fast, low cost, efficient, and effective in detecting issue early. However, it does not involve real user and may miss actual user behavior. Why heuristic evaluation? An alternative technique is usability testing. Heuristic evaluation is faster, lower in cost, and help identify problem early. In comparison, usability testing is more expensive and require more time. Therefore, heuristic evaluation is more practical within the project constraint. How the technique work together. These three UX techniques complement each other throughout the design process. During the research stage, contextual inquiry and persona help researchers understand user and their needs. During the prototyping stage, persona and heuristic evaluation help evaluate and improve the design. As a result, this technique contribute to better accessibility, better usability, and a better user experience. Next, critical evaluation. Each UX technique has strength and limitation. Contextual inquiry provides the most accurate user insight but require more time. Persona provide a strong user-centered focus but may oversimplify user. Heuristic evaluation is fast and cost-effective but lacks direct user feedback. Therefore, no single UX technique is perfect, and combining multiple techniques provides better results. Next recommendation. Based on this analysis, I recommend using contextual inquiry and persona during the research stage. For the prototyping stage, I recommend using persona and heuristic evaluation. To further improve reliability, heuristic evaluation can be combined using usability testing. This approach provides expert review, real user validation, better accessibility, and more reliable results. In conclusion, contextual inquiry provides deep user insight, persona support user-centered design, and heuristic evaluation identify usability issues efficiently. Combining heuristic evaluation with usability testing can further improve reliability. Most importantly, accessibility should remain a priority throughout the design process. That's all from me. Thank you.